she's gone out for a little while. Now, baby bird. Look, it's your friend Caterpillar. Time for bed. Your mother always takes... Your mother always takes you for a walk on the moon first.